Hey, we are at the Nashville airport right now. We are on our way to World Cup. Gonna be nuts. We're not racing this year. However, we're going up there to kick it with Tick Performance, and we also got a surprise for the S2000. Imports versus domestics. Here we come. Maryland. It's gonna be nuts. Make sure you follow along towards the end of the video. I don't know, but I'm just guessing, guys, man. I see some lights down there on a lifted ass, big ass dually. Damn! Riding in style or what, baby?
What's up? Hell yeah!
A few moments later.
Alright, our savior has come and arrived, alright? So where we pulled over at, hey, what's your name again, brother? Abel. We pulled over right when we broke. We drifted in here with our broken drive shaft. Well, I don't know why this guy wasn't thinking it, but I was like, dude, I looked up here and we don't have a Bluetooth drive shaft in the front, so we got one still, and I was like, hey, let's just yank the drive shaft out, we'll put it in four-wheel high and we'll go. We didn't have any tools, so he came and saved us and brought us up the street. We got us some 10 millimeters, and we're knocking these bolts out right now, get this drive shaft out, and we're back on the road. But hey, no front-wheel drive burnouts.
Why not?
Oh, why not? Alright, so stay tuned. We are going to be broke down again. Alright guys, so we made it back to Wicked Creations from the breakdown, and oh my gosh. I mean, it's just one thing after another at this place. It's an old gas station they converted into a hot rod shop. What else we got here? Ooh.
57 3100 355 stroker, built 700 R4, bagged 64 Impala, 383 stroker, 1956 4400, built 12 valve. It is being finished up, bagged on 26s. Wheels are built by Custom Forge. They are one-offs. You cannot buy them.
Alright, this beauty here.
Sunbeam Grumman. That is going to be our merch hauler. It is a fully polished body, or it's going to be a fully polished body. It's all aluminum. It will be bagged on a set of Detroit steel 22-inch artillery wheels.
And guys, if you don't believe he can do it, look at the other stuff he's got around here. I mean, this place is absolutely nuts.
And then we have a 59 Viking C60 that's getting a twin turbo, 12 valve Cummins. Custom Forge is building our 24s right now. It will have an extended frame. That is a Porsche Panamera with a built Gen 4 5.3 LS in it. Then you got a 70 Volkswagen German Bug down there. And then you have a 53 Bel Air to the right that is bagged with a built 6.0 in it. And then you have a bagged 70 Combi Volkswagen truck.
Yeah, guys.
Don't belong.
LS Swap the World.
LS Swap the World. Then you have the 48 KW. That is getting it's got a 12 valve Cummins in it. Obviously, you already know this. But it is getting a built 12 valve. It has a built Catrac 360 in it currently. and it is probably getting the ATS twin turbo setup that we have sitting on the shelf.
Yes.
With a custom set of custom forged 26s. So my workshop is like your personal shop.
All right.
So you got all
My home shop.
Yeah. So 65 fastback, my personal. 31 Tudor, my personal. The BDS 871 goes on it with the two 750s. Motor's getting ready to come out. We're getting ready to do a forged bottom end in it. It'll be struck to a 502. Full ostrich leather interior, cut Galaxy 500 chopped and shaved dash.
Oh, this is nuts.
It's got a Corvette C4 rear floating diff in it. Two other Tudors that we're building. 31 that we're building, and then there's another 30 that we're getting ready to start building. We picked this beauty up this was sitting in a barn. This is a factory 1970 split bumper Z28. Didn't know nothing about it. I took a chance on it. We pulled the valve cover off today.
Yeah. Oh, it's got some goodies in it.
I don't think the motor's ever been ran.
Probably not. It looks brand new.
We fired it up. She's got a small can. Obviously, we just threw a trash carburetor that we had sitting on a shelf on it. So we're getting ready to redo everything. It's got cow tracks on it and everything. It's got a 2-speed Muncie, or not Muncie, but a 2-speed power glove. This is a customer's 1955 3100 that we had to twist the cab, refab the cab because somebody did some shit work on it. It is getting a Mustang 2 front end that we just mocked up, welded in the plates, welded in the top hats. It'll get a 383 stroker with a built 700 R4, staggered 20s, and obviously air ride.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We bag the world. Bag 1965 C10, staggered 22-inch steel wheels. It has a built 700 R4, 383 stroker. Makes right around 550, 600 horse. Then you got the AC Cobra sitting over here with a built 351 Windsor in it that we're doing some work for a gentleman. You got a bay window, 1974, I believe it was. Volkswagen bus that we did restore. This thing was rusted out and needed a lot of work. And then you got the SS Chevelle.
Oh, yeah.
Sitting with a crank drive Pro Charger that we're finishing up for a customer. We're getting ready to start making the twin radiator assembly, and then it'll have the new Holley EFI on it, because this one right here is not going to be able to handle the power.
Absolutely.
So yeah, we got a bunch of crazy stuff going on.
Bunch of crazy stuff going on, man. This is a heck of a shop, dude.
Thanks, man. This is one of them. We have two.
Two shops.
Two shops. The other shop is just as full. We got a built twin turbo 71 drop top Chevelle that we're building that's over there. We have a 48 Chevrolet that we're building for a customer. We have a LS Swap CJ7 that we're building for a customer that's over there. The bagged 93 OBS dually with the Cummins in it.
Right.
Crew cab with the 26s. It's over there. The built 6.4's there. Our rollback's there. The 53 Ford that's got the built big block on 24s.
Heck yeah.
It's there. We have a bunch of stuff over there.
If you don't know, little backstory. So Cody is the guy that bought the Kenworth for me. So he hit me up and he's like, dude, I need something to haul all these cars with. And, you know, he explained to me he owned a shop and stuff of that nature. But seeing is believing. So he tells me all these things and I'm like, dude, that's freaking nuts, yada, yada, yada. But coming over here, dude, this place is like, in my world, this is like a dream shop, man. There's all kinds of stuff out here and it's absolutely phenomenal, man. So, how long have you been doing this?
I grew up real poor, had a good family friend that, he done a lot of old cars. He done a lot of classics, done a lot of restorations, and I kind of learned some stuff from him. I've been a car fanatic since I was a kid. You know?
Right.
It's Carcane.
Dude, that's what we talked about that.
I'm addicted to the auto industry,
Right.
motorcycles, cars, trucks, whatever, boats. I mean,
Yeah, everything.
I got a built 5.7 Stingray boat. I mean,
Yeah, anything we can put our
stuff.
hands on, I'm the same way too, dude.
But so I've been doing this since I was real young, probably 9, 10 years old. I've been doing this on the side since I was probably 14, 15 years old. And then I've been doing it solely for about 15 years.
I love the patina look on this truck.
That's airbrushed.
No joke.
We, obviously it's fully bagged. We chop and cut everything on here. It's all one off. It is not bolt and
Right.
order and bolt on it. It's nothing that you can order.
Yeah, I see there's tubs for the
Yeah.
wheels to go up in the fenders.
Yep, we made the tubs. We didn't want them to look too new. We wanted it to still look old, kind of like an old farm truck still.
Right.
So we didn't make anything look perfect on the front tubs. The rear tubs are kind of the same way. They're a little bit more perfect than the front ones.
And we got air conditioner and everything on this thing.
Oh, dude, yes, for sure. CEF underdrop pulley setup, built 383 stroker, Holley EFI. You name it, and it's probably got it to make it clean. The only thing it's not is the NBM disc brake conversion booster. We built the center console in it. The center console is raw steel that we clear coated. We made it all. There's nothing you can order. If you want one, we can build you one. That is something that we will be offering on our website for different makes and models. This is all burned. So I burned the wood, and then we did a coating of honey glaze. So it is all waterproofed.
Looks
It is
good.
real wood. It is not fake.
Laminate crap.
It is not laminate. We built the tubs. We airbrushed all of the rust, all of the drain coming down from the actual real rust holes. All that's airbrushed. The tubs we made one off. These are not ordered. We made these in-house. So this is our one-off bag placement that we have. Not a lot of people are doing this. A lot of people, do a risen bed, but they do it to where it's not out of it. They do it to where it lifts up. I didn't want to be like everybody else. Yes, she's dirty. We got caught in the rainstorm. Don't judge. But polished tank, 2 VIR pumps that we painted silver because they were black editions. It looks good. It flows. And the truck does sit on the frame. It will sit on the ground. It's on the lift right now.
Absolutely.
Obviously on the lift it's not going to
Lay
on
out.
the ground.
Oh, got a little thumper cam in it.
Custom ground cam.
And now you guys see why I go with LS the World.
No, I like Holley. I do not like LS.
We just don't have these problems. We fire right up. You know what I mean?
She just got a new EFI setup.
Oh, we got new EFI on it, so it hasn't been tuned yet. Oh, well, she still sounds good though. Oh yeah, there we go. That is nuts. That is nuts. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
I think it's going to be a little bit too much power for the customer.
Oh, there's never too much power.
This gentleman's a little bit more reserved than what we are.
Right. Never too much power. Well, dude, I absolutely love this place.
Thanks, man. It's a mess right now. Like I said, this is our build shop. Our paint shop is really clean.
Right.
We keep it extremely clean. But we try to keep people out of there too.
Absolutely.
And all of our welds are nice. They're
Nice
not
welds.
garbage. They will hold.
Take notice, Jeff Jones.
Oh shit. Jeff Jones, that was not shit talking.
Yeah.
That was not shit talking. Maybe a little bit.
Maybe a little bit.
So this will be all coated and they have not been ground down or nothing. They'll be smoothed out a little bit because we like stuff to be really clean.
Oh yeah.
We still have to bag the rear, and it'll be cool. It'll be really cool. It's going candy brandy wine.
Oh, that's a beautiful color.
Oh, it's phenomenal, man. We got this truck in, and this whole side over here was not there. It was all caved in, and they tried to fill it all with Bondo underneath the cowl, and we took the cowl off, and we found it all. We made all this from scratch. The cab was completely twisted, so the doors were like shut.
Right.
There was 2 inches of Bondo
Oh Lord.
here in this cab corner, so we beat all this out. We got to finish smoothing it out. We're going to cut this cab corner off that somebody Jimmy rigged on there, and we're going to fix it the proper way.
Absolutely.
We do not like Bondo. We like metal work.
Yeah, I don't like Bondo either. I'd rather put new metal in when you can.
Yes.
Bondo is used to just smooth. That's it.
Just to smooth.
Not to feel.
And to be honest, we really don't use it to smooth anything. We use slick sand.
Right.
So I can spray slick sand down. We can block slick sand down for what you put
Yeah.
on the skim coat for Bondo.
Absolutely. This thing's gonna be nice. I see you started tacking in your C-notch plates. And
Yep, we tacked it in. We're trying to mock it up. We want to make sure that we're going to be where we want to be. We want it on the ground.
Right.
With a set of staggered 20-inch American racing wheels. Everybody likes that kind of torque thrust style.
Oh yeah.
So that's what we're throwing on this one.
So long, gay boys!